So, as you can see, only one side of the sidewalk has been cleaned up. The other side, there's about, I don't know, 2-3 feet of snow. 2-3 feet of snow. So, we're gonna go this way. We've been walking for about a mile. And Sumo seems to enjoy it. He's been still running and trying to find a way, because sometimes it's hard. Fortunately, it's not too cold tonight. So, after a snowstorm, this is a walk on the south shore of Montreal. Go, go, go. Well, actually, this sidewalk is better than all the others we walked on. It's quite clear. See, Sumo still's enjoyed. He enjoys it very much. He's quite happy. So running. I'm the one who has problems. Okay. Go, go, go. It's about maybe -5. It's not that cold. It's just quite difficult to walk. We're approaching home. And I'm glad. She says, "Mommy, why are you talking to yourself?" So, next step is to try to find a path across the street. Attends, il y en a tout. Attends. Ok, c'est bon. Okay, this one is good. It's just gonna have to go through this, because this side has not been cleaned up. Go Sumo! Go Sumo! Oh, go, go, go! T'es capable! Go! Whee! Yay! Go, go, go! Yay! So we're home. So it's been nice to share this walk with you. Take care. Bye-bye.